Hi guys, it's me, Greta. Today I am doing a skit. So, just saying, the skit is basically something you do that's fake. In case you didn't know what it meant, like I did at first. Anyways, I'm doing a squishy package one. So, yeah. Okay, so I ordered some squishies and school stuff. Wow. Okay, let me get the first thing out that I just remembered. So I ordered 2 hairbrushes, but I mean, this is clearly used. Ugh, no. Next thing I get is this must be an extra. Well, thanks for the extra. Next thing. Another extra. Wow. Another extras. Almond and milk and honey. Hand cream? Yeah. And the other one's lip balm. Focus. Anyway. Next thing are these really cute rubbers I ordered to go with my school stuff. Because, you know. Next thing I have my school pens. They're really cool because you can rub out the ink. Next thing. Ooh, pretty extra. So it's got a raspberry lip balm. And like this star. Next in here I have this. Oh my gosh, my hand looks so small and gross. It looks so fat. Anyways. What? Okay, one sec. What is it? One sec, guys. So I got a... Okay. So I've got a vanilla and macadamia cocoon bath and shower thing. Looks new, so eh. And I also got this pack of Uno flown on board, but okay, let me open it quickly because it looks used. Oh my god. Okay, so look. Pack has been open, it's all like breaking. And my next thing are these. Okay, I did order like turtle decorations, but origami, seriously. They're tiny. I ordered jumbo. I didn't want origami. Well, I got 2 of those. And though they are pretty cute, I just look at them. I'm going to keep those. Next, I got this notebook. Very cute. Doesn't look used, so lucky. Next thing I got was another hairbrush, a detangler, but look how much hair. Next thing I got was this. I ordered animal erasers, but they're quite small, but look cute. So the next thing I got was some rubbers. Oh, I ordered one massive one of this. Instead, she gave me 2. What? Did she get these for like 3 or something? So, looks like she got it in school. Next thing I got was these very cute lip balms in heart shape, because gotta get some lip balms. There's strawberry scented, flavoured, whatever you say. Blue bubblegum? Yes. And watermelon. So then, of course, I have another rubber. Like really cool spiral rubber, flexible. Luckily, because that one broke if it wasn't. Next I got this, but it's got the name price. Oh my gosh, I paid £10. This is what I get. I've got some squishies. So I ordered 2 like that. I ordered 1 jumbo of this, slow rising, but this is not slow rising. It's not scented like I asked. So this is not a second.